Hey, good morning, everybody. Thank you, Madhu Chanda, Gunjan, Shraddha, for being here. Thank you, Saman and Radhika from Oziva and U2 Canton, respectively. Um, the Oziva as a brand, let me talk a little bit about that. I started using Oziva myself about 6, 8 months back. And, my knee was having a little bit of niggle, and somebody said you should do collagen. And then when I got those names, they were all fish collagen. And I've been a vegan, avoiding animal products for the last about 10 years. So I kept Googling around this, that, and various names came up. And ultimately, I settled on Oziva because it was plant-based collagen builder and not a animal-based collagen builder. So I started consuming it. Then afterwards, I found out who's behind Oziva. Let me find out. And I found out that those two people whom I knew originally, Ati Gill and Mihir Gidwani. And then, so that was nice, because I knew them from about 5, 6 years. They had started a company called Dumbbell. I don't know if Gunjan remembers that. Then they changed their name to Fit Circle, and then they are now Uziva. And then Sham Talamraju joined them. Sham is a good runner, and we know him from Radio Mirchi and beyond. So he joined them, and then this concept of this run got done, and we said it should be woman centric, and it should be the run has been designed in such a way that Uziva is not making money. Neither Utukandan is getting some money for its expenditure, but basically the 99 rupees goes to Sneha, which is an NGO that we got, and Sneha is an NGO that works for women and children, especially malnutrition in children. So they feed about 2,000, 3,000 children in Dharavi on a daily basis. They do weighing of the child, regularly monitor the child health and all that. So COVID has hit charities very hard. It has hit us. It has hit companies. It has hit charities very hard because of COVID. Companies don't have CSR money. Individuals are not inclined to donate because they are themselves struggling or taken a pay cut or lost their job or things like that. So charities are really, really worse off. And the problem with the charities is that the child is crying. It wants food, and there is no money. So the charity is also kind of begging. It's the condition is not like then they cannot, because they interact with the child and the mother on a daily basis. There's an emotional involvement for the charity. So the entire money goes to the charity, and it may not be a very large amount, but it will be a significant drop in Sneha's budget. So that really is the background of the event, and we felt that there should be prizes every day to keep the woman. The idea is again, like women must run, must become healthy. So I know there's an entire panel of women here, and everybody knows that running is good for women, and there are so many issues that not just for women but also for men, that running kind of helps alleviate. There are 29 medical conditions that running is proven to be helpful, not like hearsay, but like with statistics proven to be helpful. So we felt that women must run regularly. So we said we'll keep some walking and steps kind of challenge for 5 days, and then 2 days we'll keep some running. So different women who don't run, who only walk, and women who run. So there's a kind of mix for both of them. And because it's all virtual, the gratification or the prizes cannot be based on performance, because who can track the performance. So it's based on participation. So whoever participates can send their results in by either social media or email, or submit a link on the site, or send it by WhatsApp. So we got 4 or 5 options available. Not everybody is tech savvy. Not everybody knows how to do things well the first time around. And Radhika is my team member who compiles everything. She's the most efficient girl that we have seen, and she compiles all of them. So we choose the winners for yesterday. Whoever participated yesterday have given the results so far in a totally random process. And we felt that the random process should be that we let 3 of you choose 3 numbers, and then Radhika will then pick up the names. And Radhika, go ahead. She's a pro at it by now.
Thank you, sir. So basically, how it will work is that each number, like for example, Madhuchanda, you'll have to pick up a number between 1 to 4. And Shraddha will do it from pick up a number from 0 to 9. And similarly, Gunjan will pick up from 0 to 9. So for example, you choose 1 and Shraddha chooses 5 and Gunjan chooses 9. So the number becomes is 159. And similarly, 159 would be allocated to one of the runners who has submitted to us, their details in whichever way which sir mentioned. So that's how we'll do the selections.
So she summarizes all the people who submitted the details, and then she's given a number in a random number. You all pick up the number, whichever is the number is the winner. Go ahead, Radhika.
Yeah. So should we start with Madhuchanda then?
Sure.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah. So can you just select any number between 1 to 4?
Number 2.
Number 2 works. And Shraddha, any number between 0 to 9?
3. Number 3.
Number 3. And Gunjan, any number between 0 to 9?
Number 8.
Number 8. So the number that we get is 238. And then 238 is allocated to. So the winner is Farida Hira.
Farida Hira.
Hira, yes, sir.
Oh, wow, fantastic. Do you have data about where Farida is from, which part of the country?
So right now I don't have, but I definitely can get it.
No
in
problem. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Farida, congratulations, Farida. I hope you're watching this because we record this and we put it on YouTube so people can watch. So congrats to Farida.
So then the next winner, Madhu.
What exactly the price, Radhika? It's 2,500 rupees Amazon.
Yes, sir. So they will receive 2,500 rupees Amazon voucher along with 2,500 rupees Oziva vouchers as well.
Wow, 5,000 rupees.
Yes,
for walking 4,000 steps.
Yes, sir.
I could do this every day.
Wonderful.
Right, sir. Okay, so again, so Madhuchanda, any number between 1 to 4?
1.
1. And Shraddha, any number between 0 to 9?
8.
8. And Gunjan, any number between 0 to 9?
6.
6. So the number we have is 186. So 186 goes to Anuja Kamble is our second winner.
Okay, very good. Fantastic. Congrats, Anuja. Very good. 2,500 rupees from Amazon, 2,500 rupees from Oziva. That's fantastic. But don't go to Amazon and buy the Oziva products, okay? You can buy the Oziva products with the Oziva coupon from the Oziva side.
So then now, Shraddha, can you select any number between 1 to 4?
4.
4. And Madhu, any number between 0 to 9?
5.
5. And Gunjan, any number between 0 to 5? 0 to 9?
9.
9. So the number is 459.
459.
Right. And 459 goes to Rama Lakshmi Arun.
Rama Lakshmi Arun.
Right.
Very good. Rama Lakshmi Arun, congratulations.
Congratulations.
So the third one, this was the third winner. Now the fourth one would be Gunjan. You can select a number between 1 to 4.
Yeah, 3.
3. Shraddha, any number between 0 to 9?
6.
Sorry?
6.
6.
6. Okay. Madhuchanda, any number between 0 to 9?
9.
9. So the number is 369. And 369 is... a minute. Kinjal Kotak is the winner.
Kinjal Kotak. Wow, fantastic. Very good. Congrats, Kinjal.
And this is the last one for today. Madhuchanda, any number between 1 to 4?
4.
4. Okay. And Shraddha, any number between 0 to 9?
1.
1. And Gunjan, any number between 0 to 9? 4.
You're on mute.
Gunjan, you're on mute.
Yeah.
4. 4, I said.
4. All right. So then the number is 414. And the winner, our last winner for today would be Bhakti Modi. Is our last
Modi,
winner.
wow. Okay, very good. Fantastic. So Christmas
done.
came early for all these 5 girls.
Oh, yes.
you all were all the secret Santas for them. Fantastic. Very good. Very good.
Right.
Thank you very much. Salman, do you want to say something? Saman, sorry.
Yes, first of all, yes. Congratulations to all the winners and thank you from Oziva's and to all the ambassadors to step in and for inspiring thousands of women across the country to take up running. We are very happy to have you with us.
Thank you so much.
Thank
I would
you,
like
thank
to
you.
share something that this is a fantastic initiative taken by Oziva, because in pandemic times, it's very important, the backbone of a family, the woman, the backbone and the strength of the family to be strong, and taking such initiative and, a lot of respect for the organization because, all as shared by Sir, everything goes to the charity. And I had some people, some men also participating. I think Oziva has, refunded the money because many of them did not go through it, that it's
A
exclusive.
lot of people asked me also that, can we participate? So since it was only a
Same
women's
here.
event,
Yes.
yes.
So it's a great initiative. I'm very happy and proud to be associated with this run, Oziva, definitely. And kudos and a lot of respect. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you so
having
much.
me.
Thank you, Gunjan. Thank you very much. Shraddha, any final words?
Just a big thank you for making me a part of this panel. So I was like more than happy when yesterday Hetal, I think she messaged me that will you be able to join or not. So it's actually a very very good initiative that Oziva has taken up with You Too Can Run, and I'm having a very good time running and walking. Though I am more into running, so walking is generally not much. But yeah, still I'm trying to do whatever I can manage.
Yeah, the idea is that people who don't run must also
Yes,
participate. So that is
yes,
why we kept
yes,
5 days walking and 2 days running.
yes. Even my mom, I have given her I have shown her the app that records the step count and all. So every day at the end of the day, she'll tell me, Shraddha, I walked so many steps today. So it's very good, if even in a small way, I'm able to motivate my mom to do something. So it feels very nice.
Yes.
Yes.
Madhuchanda, any final words before we sign off?
Yeah, first of all, congratulations to all winners. And I would like to say, keep inspiring and motivating the world the way you are doing it. And secondly, thanks to Oziva for giving us this opportunity to part of this group. And thank you all. That's all from me.
Thank you. Before we sign off, I just wanted to share, you talked about lockdown and women. We did a webinar with how lockdown is affecting women and all that. All the 3 were doctors, and 2 of them had been COVID positive and they had come out of it. Okay, so they were asymptomatic, but they were positive and they had come out of it. So 3 of them, all medical professionals, they said that the women are actually more stressed than the men in the COVID, because especially if you're a working woman, let's take 2 scenarios, working and non-working. Okay, if you're a working woman, the office pressure is high. People are burning out working from home. In an earlier era, we used to think that people घर पे बैठेगा तो काम नहीं करेगा kind of mentality used to be there. Come to the office, work in front of me used to be the old way of thinking. But now actually we are finding that people are actually working more from home, and with timesheets and all this collaboration thing, so work pressure is high. Then job pressure is high, because you don't know who's getting laid off, who's getting a salary cut, naukri rahega, nahi rahega, what will happen to my EMI. Today the woman also shares a bit of the financial burden of the family and all that. So that financial burden is there. The third is the husband is at home. The husband is demanding all the time something or the other. Ye banao, wo banao, something to eat, something to munch. So that kitchen also needs to keep running at a double pace. And the worst thing is the schools have made it, learn from home and virtual classes.
Absolutely. Ask me about it, sir. I'm a teacher by profession.
So the women are actually facing a lot more stress in COVID than the men, okay, to some extent, because they take on more responsibility of running the house, etc. And we discussed this and all that. And they said women are actually more stressed. So we felt that any form of exercise is de-stressing. Today people ask me, COVID so much stress. I say every day I'm now cycling or running or doing strength training. Any one I'm doing. I'm not taking a rest today, which I would normally do, but I'm not training very hard also because I don't want to lower my immunity. And that is that is really the reason why more and more women must take up exercise. Let it be walking, an hour, but there should be something that women must do because they have more to shoulder in running the house. Okay, so thank you very much. And what happens is that this is like a ripple. The Oziva threw a stone, got brand ambassadors. Brand ambassadors are themselves now rippling the others through their influence. We are giving prize money. They will tell everybody, oh, I got this prize money. Obviously, there'll be some joy in the house and they'll want to share it. So, everybody has to influence the other and be a good influence on others and for a good purpose, which is, basically maintaining good health and, good mental composure. which comes from running.
Thanks,
So thank you, everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
Sir.
Thanks for
Thank
being
you
here.
so much.
Thank you, Radhika,
Thank
for
you.
efficiently conducting it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everybody.
Thanks. Bye, everybody.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.